We got out here just doing some photo shoots. I got to catch up on some picture taking. We ran out. We've been recycling stuff because Stitch has been gone, and obviously with the winter now it's sunny outside. But look, get a load of this epic spot. Look at this shot of downtown Calgary. Every single major building in the city. You got Calgary Tower, Bankers Hall, Telecenter, and the BUJO Tower, and then you got Stitch. We got Maggie, Grad, Russell. They're gonna hit some drones, but like just epic stuff going down. Look at this. Oh my. We're the first ones here, right, Brad?
Yep.
Brad goes, we gotta bring all the cars next week before anybody else comes. Like, yeah. Look at that. So we're gonna line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that ramp and then move in. Epic. But yeah, we just had to like catch up with some of the photos, and we're gonna go find stall 626 as well on the 6th floor below. Brad's muscles that he doesn't have.
I heard the car won't go into gear, so
Works in the Lambo life. Oh, ready? Let's see if Brad's. Oh, maybe what we can do. Oh, epic. Oh yeah, there we go, Brad. There we go. We got the screen up top so now I can see. Brad's gonna push the car. 1. Put it in, oh shit, I put it in gear. One sec, I put it in gear. Alright, push, Brad. Push! Push! Yeah! For some more photos on a different area, and oh, would you look at that? I can't really see, but there's a Grad. All right, guys, it's a big day today. My brother's graduation. He's never been in the car, so I said we would do a cool surprise. Obviously, you know, you saw yesterday there was a bunch of grads everywhere taking photos. Yeah, my brother's a lot younger than me. I have almost 10 years on him. So he's graduating high school today. So I told him we'd take him and Stitch. It's weird how they're doing their little ceremony, but it's about driving the vehicle. So what a way to go out of high school than getting a ride in this machine. Yeah, the big rig looks good too. No doubt. But it's fun. It's first time for him, so we're going to make it an enjoyable one and a memorable one. Like, I don't actually remember my grad. It was really lame, so not the case for my brother. So let's go pick him up and grab my parents and head out to his high school. Whoa, the man, the myth is graduating. Wasn't kidding. We were going to go top down. He looks better than me. Look at him, he's got his whole gown on. Those guys yesterday were just a bunch of pansies. This is a real grad. That's right, and getting the best ride too. Let's get it. Woo! Oh, we're just out and about in Airdrie. For my brother's grad. Oh dear. People didn't even know what hit him. Yeah, we got Stitch. Right there. Everyone thought I was the president at Airdrie. Alright guys, as you can tell, a little bit tired. Checked out the new Fast and Furious screening last night. Awesome. Yeah, it's a little more aggressive on the action side of things, but it ties all the movies in and all the loose ends that we didn't see. But so I highly recommend it if you've seen them all. If you haven't, I know it could be a disappointment, but did that yesterday. We got some cool footage. We're gonna do a 4K video of that. Today I'm taking out my dad for his birthday. We're gonna go slay some big beasts out of one of the #1 trophy lakes in Alberta. So yeah, we got the truck, we got Stitch behind me looking pretty, but you guys remember this? Sounds good. It's a cold start on the truck. Let's go get it. Ooh. Just arrived to Lake Noel. Well, let's slay some monsters.
Yeah, fair.
So.
Because I saw him crying. You know?
No, you crying.
And the guy who was there, he gave me the cheap, not good lures.
The lures. He's trying to blame the rigs. Day out on the lake.
Nice.
This is very nice. Oh, there's some units of houses on these lakes. Crazy. Right on. You want to slay some monsters, hopefully. What the game plan is.
She's going.
Oh. No. Still there, Doug. Still there. Yeah. Real.
I think was the bigger one before.
Damn.
Todd.
What did I do wrong?
Those are big fish. Alright, Todd. Alright, Todd. Woo! Yeah! That's a nice size, too. Woo! Out in the open water. Oh, yeah. That's look at that thing. Woo! That's a big boy. Oh yeah. That's a unit. I thought. Oh, it's fighting well though. Oh, that's a nicer size pike. It's a nicer size pike. Alright, it was a little more of an eventful week. Nothing too crazy, but obviously we stopped at a bunch of spots. And you can tell my sunburn. Yeah. Woo! And like my hat line from the lake. Slayed some beasts. I'm gonna go back. I am looking for a 25 pounder. We didn't catch it that day. R8, STI. It was fun. Again, thanks to you guys for tuning in and following Brad and I and the whole cruise journey. But again, make sure you guys hit those bells. Actually, it's just one bell. Big bell. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment below, and catch us back on the next one. We'll see you guys very soon.